let it go a bit, the curtains are open.
Na tíirich seachcan gus mí mát náisian dan lochapper, ha becan oper e clésichan buon drama chydig fwyr i hianw haast, mas bí an glaf fwychachge gisar son an ardúlar.
Wel, siol
Ze drama nog ze. Wanneer gewoon van kind kan eigen en makens a barachas drama toch.
I go to school there. Shut up. Shut your face, we haven't got a pigeon out yet.
Alla brood, roer vegen die kroeg in de harren die hele. Agus roeten het al kaars, eigen als kajak het als zo'n agus een mountain, toch een mountain wat er hier dus. Je hebt hier nog een dat tijd hier.
You were doing it the other night. You're lying there on your side.
Sé ian je vis a skrieg agus a student at Jolan Quiche.
Can you go closer to a wee bit over this way? As we take go hard as you can vote. Say comedy ha location a gearig. Had the gearig rooting utrum, rooting evi. Right! Wait till I hit him! Goed in je tjene bek en studies uit. So futi things to me, roots to me ra. So shin maar ha krijg in de kop. Gordon, can you do the barking when you're off stage?
What barking?
Well, Bambi's going to do the whistling.
Do you mean the dog barking?
No, I never minded. Bambi will do it. It's all right. All right, relax, Gordon. Oornen heet kwijtje weg aan de haf. Och, zien maar haar drama kan je. Ach, alles zegt wel een gewone toon in je wacht.
En de balletje had jolig drama jene. Agus a ferige gemaakt koorstel. Chimicholoren agus. En hier toen je gagal ro serious itcher.
You have a stuffy show board. Creaking more creaking.
En je zijn tortoch schia schachkenjen. Van je hebt een script go nianschen ik vote. Agus hier schachken how kan script not alive. Daar een schachken script not alive. Hij zijn gejene hadden ze ook rehearsals really.
Ina, how are the hits?
So yes, Urina.
Hij is helpt een uur naar zijn kalk toch het gatriek ook haar korak.
Oh, yeah,
It was very long, James.
Well, I was waiting for the bloody creep.
Pull away the bloody curtain so you can see what's going on.
Hij goede het niet kopies, hij goede het niet veel nachtkes kwam ook achtes lichtjes, roeten het al in huis. En hij zei van goede het niet in kalk, goede hij. En begin je naar zijn vast een schaasje de competition in de huiskaart series maar jullie gaan.
Climb along, Ina.
Maar heb je in kalk cool gegaan aan bij hun aan als een tres speelt draai uit wel. Generatie, generatellen, na ten shit, na ten zo. Ik had het goed gekregen. Dat vind ik maar. Ik denk dat wel zat. Als je weer gaan die route gereed, goed kan je nog kijken. Maar toen die kaart van route weer in een hele wisje toch nog even zien als je niet kennen. Zoals route giet u aan een kaars nog. Eigenlijk als je weer gaan die nog een massa zorgen. Slies je kan je krijgen.
Ha farpischen drama gewaant kriernige modus na bliannichen me jerig.
Stier route hummel tol. Sinne route skuttermach, stier route hummel tol. Hey ma boeien uur aan. Agus mis moet toch 3 keer blind in de ras met boeien uur aan. Tirie aan, mis moet je. Ach dan ik dacht stier in vliegen. Mis moet je. Bi uist, ha uist we practicing some parkers blieren, some shock of you, so my hat's a gear in the cup and nearly to get flog off here.
Ha quadichin chianna tua in Ireland tien go aiegunes na bliannichen me jerig, san over glé amassach.
Hier larach tíine ar a chaine na lapas an is Skye seo ag an cáras fichiad bliana agus cha cnáin ein cuideach agus mar sin bheith a smúneach go stocha go fuútaí Borach yn fi arenas nadja gwyach agus na hanig fiwn I chant bon ich had gaif dyrach spotach chysgad ar a chladach. Fan a chaffein ich yn byg an blionach yn arash han a miltyn ar tyn I chant ar agus at uamsach tarniach. Chladach yn eintyn ach as a sgir isio. At a garach a fat an júl is a bwr. A bwy fawr ac a bwr yn y chladach yn mar a fysag yn agus gaharach as a sgir isio na ys yn gŵt tŵ I tŵyn fawr ich yn ystau agus glwys at y clochan yn y doi se bwr ac a hawr dy mawr.
Het jou jolus ag dugu echtrin yn dynasar as a skire. Bi a trich gekasach yn y chladachyn, agus yn yw, kan ich i bwynt t-Eileanich.
What we're looking at, it's not all that convincing, but these are dinosaur footprints. That one in particular is quite good. It shows the presence of the toes.
So lucky to find you. We were worried we were going to be looking for hours.
They are easily missed.
Oh, look, it's the toe! That's so cool.
We're a group from the University of Toronto. We're here for our capstone trip, which is an undergrad course that most people take towards the end of their undergrad to sort of, see in the field everything that we've read about in textbooks over the past few years.
You can see the stride pattern. All these hollows had casts in them. These are just really the scant remains of footprints that were about a metre across. What has happened when the animal walked on the tidal mudflat, left the footprints. Scientists think that indeed they were walking in shallow water here, so that's reasonable to assume. Bjork ma trauma banda, leis veitach as na vorrakan at the smuach ar chorus dich tún na chuideman. Leis in bavana o elephant more. And I'll be first to admit, I looked at these hollows in the past and I did wonder, could they be dinosaur footprints? There was evidence of dinosaur footprints in other parts. But at that time when I looked at them, I thought, okay, they could be, but I don't really want to suggest that they are in case I'm laughed at. Human nature.
Was the climate very different at the time?
Tropical climate. The land mass was way south of here, as the southern edge of it was south of the equator. And a few more just appeared just along there. A really good one right there. You can imagine how big that animal was, because that is just a huge footprint.
Skye is, well, I've heard a lot about it from various people who have been here, friends who have been here. Geologically, it's really interesting because it chronicles, the rifting event of how Great Britain broke up from North America and how the Atlantic Ocean split open, as a lot of the island is volcanoes. And then there's also this, older stuff comparatively, which has, all this dinosaur things preserved. So it's a very cool place, very cool place.
When were these first described and discovered?
About 3 years ago.
3 years ago, wow.
It's always cool when you meet someone who knows this inside and out, because we're all students, we know bits and pieces. To meet someone who understands this so deeply and can answer all the questions is really special. So it's very cool.
That's my ski pagkabrach. Maar mijn feiking wil dat tallig de jonele gehouden te gaan krijgen. Zelfs en het is kijk en klagen als joy agus zelfs en het kan maar kutter mag als science is.
Het deinser yn strictly Skye y gopr gwteichaloch een nice vis at het janu ag y chwydym yn y cwati o gille.
Hello, skids. Yeah. You'd have your hand in the skirt.
Sien hango a sam agus calum ag iwsach.
Oh, I'm giddy. I can't wait. I'm really excited, really nervous, but I think it's going to be so much fun.
For me, I just want to make it fun, even for myself. Otherwise, it's, you're going to try too hard.
Yeah.
I think if you try too hard, you're going to muck up, possibly. But just enjoy it. We'll do what we can do.
Yeah.
Yeah. You've got to be a certain amount of calmness to keep yourself, in time and all that. But just roll with it. Let's just do it.
We're not thinking about the routine now because we've got the routine in our head. It's all about space, timing.
Just the details.
Posture.
Yeah.
And calming it, slowing it down, not rushing it.
Quick, 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 slow. That was right. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow, slow.
For me, it's my posture.
And slow.
To be standing and looking in a certain way that isn't the norm. So I need to practice that.
Quick. It doesn't matter too much. You're turning your head. It's like you're going into promenade softly.
Oh, it's my head. I thought it was my body. Right.
Well,
right,
it goes
sorry.
with your body, but...
For me, it's just the timing, getting the timing right.
Your turn is like hampered, so I think what you were doing is don't rotate very much. So when you do your reverse turn, still do the steps, but you're not having to, because if you do turn more, it gets you in an awkward position.
It's so easy to go out in your timing and your space that you have. And even if you do, not to worry about it and carry on.
We don't want to end up sat on the audience lap if we've run out of space.
All the dancers, when they finish their dance, always in particular, they've got to look confident and comfortable getting applause and finishing, taking a bow, whatever. So it's too easy to feel, oh, don't clap, I'm self-conscious, and they can't be like that. So that's what I'm trying to get across to them. Right, make a show of this bit. Hey, that's good.
We had a good run through today, I think.
Yeah.
And that felt...
And we had a run through with everyone last night with the show, so it was good to do it in front of a few people.
That kind of breaks the nerves a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you see everyone else dancing, and yeah, it was good.
We're not the,
we're not
the only ones who are
yeah.
not perfect, shall
we're
I
not,
say.
Yeah.
Pa Iona agus Ellen a gopad in Charleston.
You more than me has made the backstory.
I know, we've kind of developed some sort of a backstory because we had to be characters, so we decided to be a gangster and a flapper girl, so we're going to go down that route. And then the story develops. We're sort of flirting with each other out, in a bar.
Yes, that's it, yeah.
It's not a very complicated story. We just don't have enough hours in the day to do it properly because we work. You compare yourself with when you see Strictly on telly, and you know they do 8 hours a day for weeks.
Yeah.
Whereas we've got maybe
4 hours a fortnight.
4 hours a fortnight. Yeah.
If we're lucky.
And we've got to try and do something that doesn't look too ridiculous within that time.
They've all got other stuff going on in their lives, and it's hopefully not been a big stress, but if it's fun to actually do it, I suppose they'll be nervous, but if they do enjoy the whole thing, then that's great.
Okay. Now, this, you're supposed to roll me in first,
and
then
reaching back.
we go out.
And then come back up, and then you're kicking for 8 in a circle.
There's various kicking steps.
Yes,
that I
and
just
they're
find
very fast, and it's going from one foot to another, and then you do the same foot twice, and it's trying to remember that. And then there's another part where you've got to do different kicks, and it's all different timings. There's slow parts, there's fast parts, and I think the fast parts are the hardest.
Yeah, it's just trying to...
Lots of footwork.
We're hoping that people won't see the feet that much because we'll be waving at
The hands will take it away, hopefully.
Yeah, but it's good laugh.
Step, turn, chicken.
I think just to do it without making a mistake would be quite good.
It would be, yeah.
Yeah.
To do it and not embarrass my kids too much because they're going to naturally be very embarrassed.
Shen cha-cha and daiseg Tessa agus Thomas.
3, cha-cha-cha, 2, 3.
I feel a lot more confident.
Yes.
I can't believe we've got from 4 weeks ago to where we are today, what we've learned, and actually just completing the routine. It blows me away, doesn't it? Because we were pretty rubbish.
Yeah,
but we are still
struggling.
Rubbish, but we can complete it. And we look like we're in unison, I think, can't we? So it's
well, that's it. You know, as long as we can keep the time at the beat of the music and then sort of finish off, get the start and the finishing. A bit in between, we kind of wing that, if you know what I mean. People will not really know what we've been meant to be doing anyway, so...
As long as we get it wrong together.
Exactly. And as I say, getting through the whole routine has been really good, so... And Barney's been brilliant, he's a great teacher. So.
Yeah. Ready to go? 1, 2, 3, cha-cha-cha, New York. Cha-cha-cha, spot turn, yep.
Tess seems to think I'm a dancer, but I'm not. She's forgetting that. I used to go to clubs and things like that. That's not really this type of dancing. That's more just, you know, jumping up and down kind of thing.
Remember the backward step here, Thomas. 1, 2, 3. Cha-cha.
I'll certainly give it a go. You know, we're there for it as a comedy effect, so... The other couples are really good, actually, and I realised that the competition's going to be quite hard.
By no means do we think we're going to win this anyway.
No chance.
So,
but at least compete. But they were really good actually. So it's put a wee bit of pressure on us. But I'm going to just try and enjoy the night. It's fun. It's you know.
But we need it a bit more polished. We need it a bit more flowing, don't we? We're a bit wooden.
Ready for the ending coming up? Just. You're supposed to look more cool. Think more like the Fonz or John Travolta or someone like styling his hair and kind of doing this a bit more.
You must try harder to be cooler.
I know. I don't know how that's going to happen, but once I've got the suit on and on the night, hopefully I'll be able to pull something off. We'll see.
A forward replace and chassis. People taking part maybe don't realise there's all sorts of things like getting into the music. Are you okay with your rhythms and the bit of acting in between? It's not like normal dancing. You've got these introductions and things and showing off and looking the parts and dressing up.
We do a lot more practice this week.
Yeah.
We do a lot more. To be truthful, it's been so busy with the kids and other bits and bobs. So it's been hard to do as much practice as we hope to do. But we'll go for it.
The next 2
weeks, we'll really go for it.
Yeah, as much as we can.
We'll perfect it.
Hopefully. Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Ha tráie chorrel am sa chlacin fesgurt an vican, agus sé áite áhaine hain lá bria sairi. Gach sairig ha urus na sher, gur rørt cúrse garit le rodi mach galéin, fer bel dunne féin corram músach mú árinach ganjelen.
Hag bunatje chósa sé an ceanna hán itar a gálik agus an airneach, agus a bhí cáracha sin a bhí gáil tlachgas agus a bhí torsachat fisochag an a gálik míon na hárneach, gus a bhí neona hícar a chósa cumasach sin na dhéanát hain le clán ó le ina bhí chéile bríon míon na hárneach trovhíon na gálik. Seo Jeff Heorsicin de Yemen, agus se T-Eilean mara a hacin ar an neon seo, agus Skye an Iche, agus na tain bí spatula an agent ha go mesel ar seos hat ga ganúr an gocht seo chur an nacha spaghetti agus ha go blasta go Iche af good sa go milk fémin hall a seo hat seo noch dat seo uasach ma ar san clatach agus ha an po of sound Lancatal a chanas a tri seo Lancatal an na beerla se sweet kelp or sugar kelp Manister fries, melish and commissary Fionella. She took an own route to Yemshu be feichlich me in Nachil Barnacles a fast or a had a fast or a hanilla command.
You don't go in Yochler.
I miss Gama, I guess Gahush for Fion Gama Hawk go doing in a hill hawk. I guess again, I show was a hint in a hole. She Ganyaks stage in Marl, I guess shin alga. Lus, lan, calcium carbonate, fast mwy cmwyd. Ys yn siawn amasher, fe gdyn ni chien le karsten, agus ga lian ag le siors yn chwyd yn y crochtynach. Ys yn torachas chwyd rys yn nieran, yn y natcha mar sio ffara fel carsiera fydd i'r chyd. Eich yn sŵl o horstyd in the lust seo fast a cheat. Seo help yn gweif, eintje yn America, a huns go ville cholan de vitamin C, skorun na Sean Varichen klechke go na Victor Murison miasen gunna vi kiche glasrich vi dunne full English and tachas chidum nor scurvy agus an na beerliche scurvy grass. Blas arai. Hier.
Dwym ti.
So hanna dúine ha tín gemas bórsal agus haisna fin fialagaga leor agus still am a vies nílan skian agus daunrag se bria haun. Prasach vín a seo. A prasach sagad rútig in a victu kochach an a prash a pot herb man a beerle. Prasach vín the fine pot herb. As Jay Studham ha tor feminam vi seo fast a figanatje. Agus an a nuis jes mar a shemper a runnig na trat a reir gach tjellach agus ik mós van tjellach agus veg pís in a traiachke for an feigat heen an lusjo. Blonje kan gari or no spinach. Trotse bí mar sin go kochgrach no idike.
Ha blas.
Ma afkujo.
Ha pís hoiseach ir bhariche.
Ha.
Ha gydyn prif skipe yn Ilen han yn unar nisha nu ys an i'r chwrs gyrannych cwpan y camanach. Ha skipe balwyd yn lleidd y fys da nöig cwpan y camanach gyfwonach y cawr agos diechir eich y tryp. Smar sy'n ha isgyfel dŵlran ran y gillian.
Don't panic, guys. Get the hitting together. If we play well, I think we'll give them a good game. I don't know where we're going to be. Come, what time's the throw at? 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock tonight. Hopefully we'll be in a good place. Backwards. So the league form's been really good. Haven't lost in the league this year, so yeah, we're going well. We're on a good wee run just now. Catch the elbow.
I mean, for a cascio, you can you. Big nervous toch.
What an opportunity today to be only the second Skye team in 125 years to get to a Camanachd Cup final. It is now firmly in your court as players, as individuals, and more importantly for me, as a team. We've got to have the spirit, we've got to have the heart, and we've got to stand up and be counted against these guys.
And every single one of you can be a hero today, but you've got to want it.
Come on, guys. Okay. When you go up to that centre circle today and you're facing them, look them in the eye. Don't look at your
Look at your boots, that's the other thing.
Look them in the face.
Look them right in the eye.
Yeah.
We've got chest puffed out, we are the guys. We're going to start. Everyone, come on! Come on!
Dierige hierdle ha balwyd yn lleidd y bwomach yn gonionig.
We hebben die zijn ballen, je weet niet goed nou in mijn heen, ik heb het toch leren dat je zijn jullie na te keren. Ja, och, maar met die ballen van balwyd leef, goed als ver ook. Je moet de pjouwen hachtig aan je man. Dan gaan we in je land skiën naar krijgen kunnen gaan of zo. En dan het ballen van je mooi. Je kan dat again. Hoe slip ik die fans zeggen juist hoe dat een tool. Het chance er genoeg een hoe is goed of. Oh, misschien nog 45 minuten zullen die al. Ze nog tussen de ballen jakken in de sluitje, dat is naar voeten. Naar balloon dreef of kiezen. Kiezen had 100 of die wat zo is.
Hi guys. First thing I want to say is, what a fantastic support we've got here today. It's phenomenal. Newtonmore got a handful of supporters and the rest are supporting Skye. So listen, let that drive you on. First half, we've done pretty well. We've bedded in well to the game, I would say. Defensively, not too bad. Midfield, we're doing well, but we've got to stay switched on. I don't think we've had a shot on target, guys. I mean, for goodness sakes, the very least that we should be doing is getting the ball on target. It's all about commitment, guys, and giving it everything. Absolutely everything.
45 minutes, guys, that's it.
We've had a look at them, guys. They're not that good. Fitness here today is going to be crucial. You've got to stick together, be strong, and give this second half everything.
Come on, boys, come on! Come on!
Cúsin na teannarí go le hynny cryche gan y Skye. A balŵr yn tref y siaid yn chywaetr sy had, le tylf yn mwyn tylf. Agus ag dyrra y gem, a balŵr yn tref y bwymach, ceir go hwn.
Hold on, Johnny. I thought we were still in the match up until about 70 minutes, till they scored maybe the second or the third goal. But I thought we were exceptional all over the pitch today. I thought we competed well. There were spells in the game where we were dominating. I thought we were the better team for spells in the game. But you know, at the end of the day, it's all about putting the ball in the back of the net, and obviously Newtonmore are more clinical than us. We had a couple of wee half chances and might have made a difference, but we didn't take them. But I'm disappointed, but I'm very, very proud of the performance that the team put in today.
We hebben heel veel toerig, we hebben ballen spikken. Agus heel veel nodig. Ze maken soort misschien nog goed is natuurlijk, maar agus jaren is natuurlijk gemaakt te zullen geven. En dan het wie dan doe. Het hangt toch. Rijdt het niet heel zat te hagen. Nu ga toch de jaren is. Het ook gehoord. Hoe dat mogelijk. Is een rasje. Ik niet is in de riest. Hebben nog eens. Is een beetje schuldig. Wilde van je rood gaan was zo. Dat tamelt je nog. Dan ik het gehad als zo. Wel na je. Hoe stijpelen zo. Naar het maar houden.
En na hynnes, ga je er first in y con llawsige ag farpus na con chwyrach. Agus soon yn bia all right on the night, ga skip y drama chile folie.
Moch jere skrian en spyr for oss, a fuatach nialt na heiche, seilchach agen star.